Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out this protective glass for the entertainment system or infotainment system in the car. The idea came from a discussion with one of my friend András, because the other day we had a discussion that in his car the touch screen was very much diminished by some chemicals by the previous owner, and he was asking what can be done. And I told him that actually not just for the phones, but you can get these kind of protective layers or films to the infotainment system as well. So I decided why not to make a video, because anyway I wanted to apply one in my car, but so far I didn't do it. So today is the day. So first I'm going to clean the surface and then I will apply it. Let's roll.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. Not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you.
Right, boys and girls, that was the video about the tempered glass protection film for the infotainment system. As you've seen, it was easy to apply. It was not 100% the application. Maybe there were like 1 or 2 specks of dust that I didn't spot, because the film didn't cover the entire surface. I can see 2, let's call them bubbles. Obviously you can do it 100% if you pay more attention, but anyhow, when the screen is on I cannot see it, and when it's off usually I don't look at it, so I don't care. It's more important that it protects my screen, so I can hands-on heart recommend to use something like this. It's better for you in case you use some harsh chemicals to either attack this film, which is easily replaceable, rather than the screen itself, because then it's very expensive if you have to replace the whole infotainment or just the screen itself. Anywho, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.